mess up this luminary? Yeah, I can. But I can also recover. Join me. Hey, friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks again for coming back. All right, so we're going to start with these napkins I bought at TJ Maxx. I love them. Get them down to 1 ply. Then I have this cute little jar from Dollar Tree. And I start by cutting it down to about the width of the jar. Then I cut it down just a little bit more just to make sure. And then this is where I went wrong. I really cut it down. I cut it down to only the width of the decoration that's on the jar. Shouldn't have done it. I know this now, but my mistake could be a help to you. So I'll show you. So then what I'm going to do is just wrap the trimmed napkin down, and I'm going to just cut it. I'm just trimming it so that there's not so much excess. So just trim it. There's that. Now I'm using some dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I put it on just a little bit, and then I put my napkin on, and now I'm going to go over it. And with those raised parts, you really have to use your brush and make sure that the napkin gets into those grooves. It's easy enough, but just be aware that it's going to take a minute, and you have to go back over it and get the air bubbles out. But look at how pretty so far. The mistake I made was that I really think I should have had it go all the way to the bottom of that, the opening of the bottle. I just feel like it just looked wonky after, but again, my mistake you can learn from. And all we're going to do is the same exact thing, Mod Podge, then put the napkin on, put more Mod Podge over. You're going to do that over the whole jar. That's what I'm doing here. And I'm using dishwasher safe Mod Podge just to be on the safe side in case I wanted to wash it, use it for candy or whatever. But my original intent was to put a candle in it. And you see here, you could see really all that white. You could see those are air bubbles. And so you have to get the air bubbles out. It was going beautifully. I thought I was slick here. I thought I was smart. I was like, yeah, this is perfect. Not as much work. See, you know what it was? I was being kind of lazy. because of the curve of the jar, I would have had to trim, like put little slits in the napkin all the way around, and I didn't want to do that. I was being lazy. But we will recover. And here's where we're going to recover. We're going to take this ribbon. I had gotten it from Michael's in a pack with all this different fall ribbon, and I'm just going to glue it on the top. And then we're going to take a piece of this beautiful green organza ribbon. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to tie that in a simple knot, and then I'll trim the ends. I think, my opinion only, I think I recovered, like I salvaged it. Do I think that it's, oh my gosh, the best thing ever? No. But I feel like I salvaged it. And in my defense, my daughter saw it and was like, oh my God, I have to have it. But look at it at night. Isn't that so pretty with a candle in it? I like it. Well, now my daughter does because she stole it. But anyways, friends, all this to say is don't give up on a project. There's almost always a way that you can salvage it. Okay, that's it for now, friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.